Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is a special one. It's for you beginners. I know a lot of you struggle with you know starting off with makeup, and that can be a little intimidating, daunting in this era where everybody knows how to do makeup or knows something about makeup. So if you're starting off or you have started but you're no not really there yet, I think this video will help you curate that basic makeup kit that will be your go-to, your safe space, and you can create one basic look with these products. I have used products only from this pouch to create this makeup look today. So yeah, I mean, you don't have to necessarily buy all the products, you don't have to invest in everything at once. No, I'm not endorsing that. You can, pick products from this pouch in itself and make a kit for yourself, whatever suits you. But I think if you are starting off, this is a complete kit. So let's get started. Here are all the products you can see. I'm very excited to take you through this video. So I hope you will stay till the end of the video.
I think the first product that you should invest in as a beginner is a primer. I know it is a very overlooked product, but you should not overlook it. I suggest you do the opposite because it is that one layer between your skincare and your makeup that is like a protective layer. It helps set your makeup well from the very beginning. So, this is a very important product to invest in. Now, the next step is choosing the right base product. I'm going for a tint here because it is safer and easier to navigate around compared to a foundation. Play around, experiment around with tints so that you can then take a step forward towards foundation or go for a very light foundation. Or you can totally skip that part if you think you don't need a skin tint. I can do without it. I sometimes use two concealers and I'm good to go. Like in this case, I have used a skin tint and I didn't use another concealer to correct anything. I just went ahead with a concealer to brighten my face. If I wanted higher coverage, I would probably go for another concealer in between these two. But for now, I think this is it. And as a beginner, this is definitely it. Two products, one base for like a foundation or skin tint, and then you go move on to a concealer brightening one. Next is a powder. Now, forget about the brand I'm using here. Just focus on the fact that you need a powder to set your face, especially the concealer. Go for a compact powder because it is easier. You're a beginner, it is going to be easier for you to navigate around setting your concealer if you use a compact instead of a loose powder. Now, quickly moving on, I rambled around a little bit, but yeah, quickly moving on to a blush. Now, again, easier would be a powder blush. Get to know how much pigment you need on your face to survive through a day. I mean, how much are you okay with? And then move on to a cream product because creams can be a little daunting if you are a beginner. Next, I move on to the eyeshadow. Now, I'm going to show you an eyeshadow palette here, which is my go to. And you just need some nude shades to work around with as a beginner. I'll give you certain options in the description box below, but right now I'm going to show you two colors that you need, and that's going to set you for every look. Whether you want a very simple look, you can just use a matte brown shade and you're good to go, or you can amp it up a little with a shimmer shade. So here I'm using one brown matte shade, stick of a eyeshadow stick, and I'm just playing around with it and increasing the pigmentation as and when I need it. The extra I'm using as a nose contour here, little hack for you guys. Okay, and the next thing that I'll be using is a shimmer shade, and it's also in the same brown family because that kind of looks really nice on us brown girls. So I would suggest that if you have these two colors, you are good to go as a beginner. Then you can add a little bit more colors. If you have an eyeshadow palette with these two colors, you're definitely going to have other nude shades, and as and when you get confident, you can use those colors to sort of build and create more eye looks. I'm asking you to go slow with buying different eye palettes because it is going to be a task to learn how to, blend your eye makeup. Eye makeup is a little challenging, might not be for you, but it was for me. So take your time in understanding your eye shape and what you are liking, and then start investing in different palettes. As a beginner, you don't need 5 palettes. No, you don't need it. You just need one palette which has some nude shades for you to start working with. Now, moving on to the OGs of eye makeup: eyeliner, mascara, and obviously the kajal. I think we all can relate that one of these has been a game changer for us. If you haven't started, I would suggest go for a kajal. I started off with a kajal, then I became an a very very big loyalist of eyeliner, and now I add mascara as and when I want. Here I've used all three of them together to show you guys, but you can use any one of them or any two of them and finally move on to all three of them if you think that will complement you and if that's what you like to use. Yeah, choose your pick and then go for it. Let me know in the comments below which is your pick or which is the combination that you rely on. Moving on to lipsticks, I have a bunch of suggestions. Hear me out. If you are starting off, start off with a nude lip, because nudes will literally hold your hand and help you take that step forward. It will tie your entire look together. There's something mysterious about minimalism, and yet it is really graceful and will not be too daunting on you. So try it out, and once you are ready, I would suggest go take the next step. For me, and the next step is adding a color called pink. I love pink. A soft pink lip is so playful, and it really shows that you are ready to add more colors. It's that perfect color between a nude lip and a bold lip. And once you are ready, you take the next step, and that is adding a bold color like red. Red has something commanding to it, and it's going to fill you with confidence. It's going to make you feel like a different person. And what's wrong with that? I mean, embrace it, because you should own it. And with that, I have finished showing you everything that was in my kit.
I hope you stayed till the end of the video. If you did, I hope you found a reason to subscribe to my channel. I also hope that this, whatever I curated here, has helped you figure out how you will create a makeup kit for yourself. If yes, please don't forget to tell that to me in the comments below. You can also follow me on my Instagram. You don't necessarily have to buy all the products. You don't necessarily have to buy the exact products, but whatever I have mentioned, I hope it helps solve a problem. Bye.